Okay, so this is how we use the breast pad for those who do not know. Now, like I told us, the part with the smooth satin is the one that will be directly on the nipple. So you just place it this way, and the Ankara fabric is going to go towards the bra side. Place it this way on the nipple to cover at least to a large extent around the nipple. Then you use your bra and cover it up. Alright, then you do same to the other breasts. So this way you can rest easy when you're breastfeeding. But if you notice that it's getting full, it's still fabric, you can change. Always make more than one and go out with more than one. Sometimes these kids can be very funny. When you want them to suck, that's when they want to play. And once they put their mouth and start sucking and the breast milk starts rushing, you have to do some kind of exercise, rubbing the nipple area before it stops. So just to prevent all those unnecessary stains ruining your fabric. And breast milk can actually smell. Oh God. So just use this and you're good to go.